SplashLearn.
Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Helicopter. This aircraft can take off and land straight up. It can move in all directions. Today, we're going to color helicopter, paint bucket, light blue, red, blue, red, light green, red, stamp, You are an amazing artist! Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Ship. You thought you swum well? This watercraft can float on oceans and deep waters. Today, we're going to color ship, paint bucket, dark gray, light red, light blue, blue, purple, yellow, red, light gray, stamp, eraser, You are an amazing artist! Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Airplane. An airplane can fly and help us get from one city to the other. It is heavier than air. Today, we're going to color airplane, paint bucket, white, light blue, blue, purple, red, light red, light gray, stamp, Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Submarine. This watercraft can stay in deep waters for months. It is also used in wars. Today, we're going to color submarine. Paint bucket. Purple. Yellow. Orange. Light blue. Purple. Orange. Stamp. Eraser. Wow! What an amazing painting!
Today was so much fun. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures. Until then, keep exploring.
SplashLearn, creating fearless learners around the world.